Good day, ladies and gents. Welcome to BK Mathematics. And if this is your first time of you coming across this channel, please make sure you share, comment, like for everybody to benefit. Okay, let's get to the problem and see what we are going to have at the end. We have to find the value of m and n. It reads 2 raised to the power m plus 2 raised to the power n is equals 614. Now to find the value of m and n, just watch till the end. Okay, now we say solution. Now since we are given 2 raised to the power m plus 2 raised to the power n, this is equals 614. Okay, but know that, or just recall that 640 can be also expressed as 64 times 10. Okay, then if it can express as 64 times 10, now we say 2 raised to the power m plus 2 raised to the power n, this is equals, instead of 640 we have now 64 times 10. Okay, now from this point we know also that 64 can also be expressed in its index form as 2 raised to the power 6, meaning 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Then this is equals 2 raised to the power 6. Okay, and we know also 10 can also be expressed as 2 times 5. Okay, then it continues. Now we have 2 raised to the power m plus 2 raised to the power n. This is equals, instead of 64 we have it as 2 raised to the power 6 multiplying by, now instead of 10 we have it as 2 raised to the power 2 times 5. Okay, let's put this one in the bracket form. Okay, now we know this is having a power of 1 also from indices. It continues. Now we have 2 raised to the power m plus 2 raised to the power n is equals 2 raised to the power 6 multiplying by 2 raised to the power 1 times. Now looking at this 5, we can say 5 can also be expressing as 4 plus 1. Okay, then from indices, let's multiply this one first. We have 2 raised to the power m plus 2 raised to the power n. This is equals, we say from product law of indices, having the same base, we take one base and multiply the powers. Now we have 2 raised to the power 6 plus 1 into 4 plus 1. Okay, then we have, this is 2 raised to the power m plus 2 raised to the power n becomes, this is 2 raised to the power 7. Okay, into, now we know this 4 can also be expressing as 2 raised to the power 2 plus 1. Okay, now having something like this, just like if you have recall that x square into a square plus 1. So having something like this, what I need to do, we use this to multiply by this. Now we say this becomes x square a square plus x square times 1 is x square. So that is the same thing that we have to apply here. Now we have 2 raised to the power m plus 2 raised to the power n. This is equal, we multiply the bracket, 2 raised to the power 7 times 2 raised to the power 2, that is 2 raised to the power 7 times 2 raised to the power 2, plus we come to this also, 2 raised to the power 7 times 1 is 2 raised to the power 7. Okay, now it continues. We have 2 raised to the power m plus 2 raised to the power n. This is equals, we apply multiplication law of indices. They are the same base, we take one base and we add their power. 7 plus 2 plus 2 raised to the power 7. Okay, now we have this is 2 raised to the power m plus 2 raised to the power n becomes this is 2 raised to the power 9 plus 2 raised to the power 7. Then from this point, what are we to do? We say by comparing, meaning we say 2 raised to the power m is equals 2 raised to the power 9. Therefore, the value of m becomes 9 respectively. They are the same base, we cancel. Similarly, or we can say also 2 raised to the power n is equals 2 raised to the power 7. Then therefore the value of n becomes 7 respectively. So these are the possible values of m and n that we are asked to find, becomes 9 and 7 respectively. Thank you for watching. Make sure you share, comment, like for everyone to benefit. Love you more.